Hi everybody, it's Katie Mannheim, one of the program managers with Lombard Park District. Today we are celebrating the 50th anniversary of Earth Day, and we thought what better way to celebrate than with a sweet treat. So today we're going to walk you through how to make a really simple, delicious snack that the kids can help with. And we're going to teach you guys how to make dirt cups. So it only requires 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is chocolate pudding. So you can purchase the box of chocolate pudding and add milk to it and make your own chocolate pudding, which is what I went ahead and did already. Or you can purchase the individual packs of chocolate pudding. Those are sometimes easier for kids to do because then all they have to do is throw the toppings on it and they're good to go. So you need chocolate pudding, and then you need some Oreo cookies or some chocolate sandwich cookies, and then gummy worms for toppings. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to want to make your chocolate pudding ahead of time. Let it solidify, get cold. It only takes about 5 minutes. And then you're going to want to put some cookies into a bag and smash those cookies up. So this is really fun for the kids to be able to do. They can kind of pound on the bag as much as they want, make the cookie pieces into nice ground powder form. So once you've got that all done, you're ready to assemble, which is super easy. So you're just going to take a cup. I'm just going to use a clear cup because I like to be able to see the different layers. But any kind of cup or bowl will really work. So you'll just want to go ahead and start with a layer of chocolate pudding. So we'll go ahead and put the chocolate pudding in there first. Okay, so you've got your first layer of chocolate pudding in there. And then you're going to want to add some of your crushed up Oreos. So you'll go ahead and just sprinkle those on a nice little layer of Oreo cookies, which is our dirt. Okay, so the chocolate pudding is our mud and the Oreos are our dirt, our dried dirt. So you got that. So we've got 1 layer of each, and then you just keep layering and adding on more chocolate pudding and more Oreo cookies until it is as much or as little as you want it to be. So you'll keep adding it and keep building it up as much as you want. If chocolate pudding is too thick for you and you don't like how thick and rich it is, a tip is to get some Cool Whip and fold Cool Whip into there, and it makes it more like a mousse instead of a pudding. So it lightens things up a little bit, makes it a little bit of a lighter color too, and it will spread your pudding out a little bit further as well. So once you've built your layers up the way that you want it to, all that's left to do is to put your gummy worms in there, right into the dirt so that they can wiggle their way into your kids' tummies. So go ahead, finish it off, and then they are good to eat. So bon appetit. If you don't like chocolate or you have an allergy to chocolate, there are different variations of a dirt cup that you could do. You could do what we call a sand cup. The sand cup is using vanilla pudding or banana pudding and Nilla wafers. So it's the same process. So pudding and then smashed up cookies, pudding, smashed up cookies, and then to do it a little bit more fun because it's a sand theme, you could add Swedish fish to it, or I've seen little gummy bears, sitting on the top like they're hanging out at the beach. So all sorts of different fun things for you to do there. Other than that, enjoy your dirt cups. Bon appetit!